Good day everyone, I am Jericho P. Garcia and I will discuss about the Philippine Gamaba Awards. Philippines Gamaba Awards, the National Living Treasures Award, alternatively known as the Gawad sa Manilikha ng Bayan or Gamaba. Award for the creators of the country is conferred to a person or group of artists recognized by the government of the Philippines for their contribution to the country's intangible cultural heritage. Bangsamoro Gamaba Awardees. Uwang Ahadas, musician, born in 15 in February 1945 in Basilan. Mastery in playing Yakan's instrument, made of bamboo, wood, and metal, keeping play Yakans for keeping it alive. Darhata Sawabi, textile weaver, born in March 4, 1943 in Sulu. She remained developed with her mission to teach the artwork of fishery bead weaving. Haja Amina Api, mat weaver, born in June 25, 1925, Tawi-Tawi. She was recognized as the master of mat weaver. Her colorful mats with her complex geometric patterns showcase her precise font or design, proportion and symmetry, and sensitivity to color. Sauman Sulaiman, musician, born in March 3, 1953 in Maguindanao. He achieved the highest level of excellence in art of playing kutiapi or kudyapi or two-string lute, and also profession in kulintang, agong, suspended bass gong with wide rim, gandingan, laos gong with narrow rim, palintag, and body, flute, and tambul. Ambalang Osulin, textile weaver 2016, born in March 4, 1943. She introduced Yakan's weaving. Ambalang is significantly respected and all of the limitan of her abilities are guarded, unique, and she can bring for all designs and actualize all textile categories under the Yakan's community, who known to be among the finest weavers with the southern Philippines. She can perform suwa berkat or cross stitch like embellishment and suwa pendant or embroidery like embellishment. Techniques of the bunga sama category. She has the complex knowledge of the whole weaving process. Gamaba awardees and nominees. Magdalena Gamayo, textile weaver, based in Pinili, Ilocos Norte. Magdalena Gamayo took up weaving when she was 16, guided by her aunt's patterns. Lang Dulay, textile weaver. In Lang Dulay's family, the weaving of the tinalak took place before or after the farm work, when the weather was cool and the condition was better for the product. Salmon Sulaiman, musician. Musician Salmon Sulaiman was a master of the kudyapi, a two-string lute that requires highly technical skills to play. Eduardo Mutuk, metalsmith and artist. He became an apprentice to furniture carvers to earn additional income. He had no prior knowledge of the work he was getting into, but he didn't stop him from expanding his experience and becoming one of the most respected creators of religious and secular art today. Haja Amina Api, Pandan mat weaver. Weaving pandan mats is a long and difficult process that is handed down from woman to woman across generation. Pandan leaves are harvested and made into narrow, long strips, sun-dried, pressed, and dyed before finally become suitable for weaving. Federico Caballero, metalsmith and artist. Epic chanter Federico Caballero of Calinog, Iloilo, was best known for his expertise in Sugidanon, a central Spanish epic traditionally chanted while laying on a hammock, and his work in the preservation of oral literature, documenting 10 Panay Bukidnon epics in an extinct language with close ties to Kinaray.